Hey guys, welcome to another video of Solartoall.com. In this video, I will be explaining about how Solartoall.com generates your design. How is the calculations done? What are the parameters taken? So we have a simple roof here, of which the dimensions I will show you. So we have taken the inputs from the site survey. We will be conducting site survey in your house and be taking the inputs. If there is no personnel near the house, we will be required to be provided with the site survey for the analysis purpose. So after that, we take the solar panel and we process it. So how the solar panel is basically processed is, uh, we draw the site, we take care of all the obstacles. So the roof dimensions should be correct and all the obstacles should be exact as per the requirements. So once the obstacles are confirmed, we'll be placing all the obstacles, all the shadow objects around the building as well as on the building. That will be considered. After that, only we'll be placing the panels. So while placing the panels, you can see that the modules are there, the matrix is there, the height, the bill, etc. The panel, etc. will be there. So that will be done. The system size, the shadow laws, etc. That will be there, and based on that, we arrive at a conclusion on what to do. That's the purpose here. Uh, so the solar2all.com basically gives you an estimate of what it should be the system size or the shadow loss percentage, or that will be on the applicable on the solar panels in the site. So here you can see this is a system of 2.2 kilowatt with 4 modules, and it's a 2p2 matrix on a flat roof. 2p2 matrix of a monthly solar bill of 2000 rupees per month, and a system size of 2.2 kilowatt and a shadow loss of 11%. Now with the shadow obstacles, we calculate what is the shadow loss and write it here. So based on that, generation is calculated. So once we go here, this is the another view of the particular building. This is an isometric view from the right side. This is an isometric view from the left side. So you can see there are two trees on the northwest and the southwest corner. There's a building on the southwest. There's a building on the north. There's a building on the east. There are roof dimensions here. The roof dimensions are mentioned 9.58, 14.36. Those are the roof dimensions that you will use for the calculation purpose. After that, you will get to know what are the different dimensions of the leg footing here of the solar panels that will be used. The front view, the side views, the back view, and the side view again, those are given. So you will know which all are the obstacles that may affect shadow. So from the west, you can see from the height there are two. There is a tree on the northwest and the southwest, so that will affect. From the on the south, it won't affect as the parapet wall is of a lower height, so that won't be affected. The shadow building heights are mentioned here. It's a 5-meter building, so building heights are basically calculated from the roof of our main building. So if this is the installation roof, we will be calculating the height from the roof level of the main building. So that's like around 2 meters, 5 meters. On the north side, it wouldn't affect the panel, but we are drawing it as it's very close to the building. So it's 4 meter here, and on the other side, it's 3.7 and 5 meter. So here it's a 5 meter on the east side. 5 meter on the east side. So this is done like that based on the calculations, and based on these heights, the solar shadow will be calculated. So the solar distance is here 8 meters on the west, 5 meters on the east, about 1.7 on the north, and 4 meters on the northwest. Trees there. So these are also given, and the distances are again verified with the real site survey as well as Google Earth and the Google Maps. So this is the structure view. So these are the views which we use to calculate the solar panel position, and based on that we calculate what is the uh, solar panel system size for this particular panel. So 2.16 kilowatt. So this will generate more than 250 units of energy per month. 250 units of energy per month. So that will be calculated based on this. So for solar design service and recommendation, please contact solartoall.com. We connect you with an installer so that you can install the system at the earliest, and you will get a quick quote. Thank you.